Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about infinitive mit zu, or the zu plus infinitive in German language. Let's see where we are going to use zu plus infinitive and what is zu plus infinitive. Zu plus infinitive is also called infinitive clause in German language, where like he attempts, he explained the grammar to us. So there are two different sentences, and if we have a subject also, two different subject, like both the sentence has the subject, so we are not going to use zu plus infinitive. We have versucht, erklärt uns die Grammatik. But when he attempts to explain the grammar to us, so here we do not have any other subject, so we can use zu plus infinitive. So where we have two sentences and the other part of sentence only added the information from the first one and does not have the subject in this part, so we can use zu plus infinitive. Like versucht uns die Grammatik zu erklären. He tried to explain the grammar to us. Infinitive clause can provide additional information, or they can substitute for a subject or an object in a sentence. Give additional information, or they can substitute for a subject or object. Das ist leicht zu verstehen. It is easy to understand. Es macht mir viel Spaß, mit dir zu tanzen. Es make me much fun with you to dance. Ich habe Lust, diesen Film zu sehen. I feel like to watch this movie. Comma placement. Completely optional. The comma is completely optional, but it still is used frequently in long clauses. And frequently we use comma frequently. Es ist schwer, like comma, die Antwort zu finden. It is difficult to find the answer. Es macht mir Spaß, am Computer zu spielen. It makes me fun on computer to play. Ich habe vergessen, I have forgot, meine Hausaufgabe zu machen. My homework to do. Zu plus infinitive state am Ende des Sets, the end of the sentence we use. Ich fange an zu kochen. I started to cook. Ich habe auch versucht, I have tried, dich anzurufen, to call you. So when there is a separable verb, zu comes between. Es ist gut, oft spazieren zu gehen. Two verbs, zu come in between. It is good, often, to go for a walk. Beim Infinitive mit steht kein Subject, and if there is a subject, then we can use das. Ich hoffe, pünktlich zu kommen. I hope that to come punctual. And ich hoffe, dass es dir pünktlich kommt. If there is subject is there, then we can use das. Because it's also a two subject, we can use das. Infinitive clause can be used only after certain nouns, verbs and adjectives. For example, ich habe Lust, ins Kino zu gehen. The noun is Lust haben. Vergiss bitte nicht, deine Kamera mitzunehmen. Vergessen is a verb. Es ist interessant, schöne Bilder zu sehen. It is interesting. Adjectives. So, we can learn what all verbs are there, like anfangen, where we can use zu plus infinitive, aufhören, beginnen, bitten, erlauben, hoffen, planen, raten, sich freuen, vergessen, versprechen, verbieten, versuchen, vorhaben, plan, vorschlagen, to suggest. Let's see some of the example. Ich habe vergessen, I have forgot, Hausaufgabe zu machen, to do the homework. So here is no subject, object, and after zu we only use verb in infinitive form. Ich fange an, jeden Tag zu laufen. I started every day to run. Ich beginne, I begin, das Buch zu lesen, to read the book. Ich versuche, I try, Deutsch zu lernen, to learn German. Ich vergesse immer, I forget always, Trinkgeld zu geben, to give a tip. Nomen, like Zeit haben, to have a time, Angst haben, Absicht haben, Lust haben, Recht haben, Interesse haben, Sinn haben. For example, ich habe keine Zeit, nach Hause zu gehen. I have no time to go home. Ich habe keine Lust, eine Diät zu machen. I don't feel like to do a dieting. Let's see adjective. S is adjective, order ich finde es adjective. S is wunderbar, it is wonderful. S is nicht schlecht, it is not bad. S is nicht gefährlich, it is not dangerous. Ich finde es gut, I find it good. Ich finde es interessant, I find it interesting. Es ist schwer, it is difficult. Es ist gesund, it is healthy. Someone. Es ist schön allein zu leben. It is beautiful to live alone. Ich finde es schwer, Mathe zu lernen. I find it difficult to learn mathematics. Es ist verboten, im Kino zu rauchen. It is prohibited to smoke in Kino. So after zu, we use only verb and infinitive, and what all the nouns, verbs, and adjective, we have already seen that. You can make a sentence. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us. Have a nice day.